right back when we get finished playing inside the fort, if my mama lets us. Well, if me and my mama want, if my mama wants to. Ugh. Sorry, Mama.
Can you come out? You might as well leave that because you putting everything back anyway. Don't even touch it. You got some 135, 140, and I'm walking out. It's 126. So you can go.
So guys, this is the walking
No, just do it over here. Let's do it special. We ain't got enough time for it. Man, you gotta go all this back. We ain't got enough time to go all over there. 1:30. You got 10 minutes. Yeah, and then it's cool. Put all this back too. Every last one of this toilet paper, tissue. This nigga crazy as hell. Got me at Walmart. Open up the tissue. My man, he got me at Walmart. Messing up the tissue. He gonna put every single last one of these tissues back.
Okay, Mama, let me see the camera.
Here.
So guys, this is the Insider Fort right now. Update for you. Okay. Here you go, Mama. But now we gotta make the door. Actually, we don't need the door.
You don't need a door. That's the door right there, fool.
That's the door.
All right, accomplished. Put it back. You gonna say your closing? What you gonna say?
Oh yes. So I'm about to take them on the tour.
No, say your closing.
Okay, peace out, guys. And I gotta tell you something. But I put my hands in the camera. Turn it off, buddy. Okay.
Okay.
So there we go, guys. That is my fort. Look over there, Mom. That's my fort. My mom didn't give me enough time to make a huge fort, so apparently that's all I got.
Cause it's 1 in the morning.
So we making another one tomorrow. So,
We're not.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
He ain't driving.
Yes, we are.
Says who? No, you did it already. You did what you wanted to do. You ain't doing nothing else.
So, peace, guys.